Greetings. In this video we will be discussing the formation of the BRICS alliance and how it could potentially affect trade in the US dollar currency. For those who may not be familiar, BRICS is an economic alliance comprising 5 major emerging economies: Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. Together, these countries represent a significant portion of the global economy and have been working to strengthen their economic ties and reduce their reliance on the US dollar in international trade. One of the key factors enabling BRICS to pursue this strategy is the fact that the member countries possess a wide range of natural resources, including oil, gas, minerals, and agricultural products. This means that they are relatively self-sufficient and able to meet their own needs without relying on imports from other countries. As a result, they have more flexibility to engage in trade within the alliance using their own currencies rather than the US dollar. However, it's worth noting that the US also has a significant amount of debt, both in terms of its government debt and its overall level of indebtedness. The high level of debt in the US could potentially lead to concerns about the sustainability of its fiscal policy and the potential for default or restructuring of its debt. This could lead to a decrease in demand for U.S. assets, including its currency, as investors seek out safer and more stable investments. One of the ways that BRICS has been working to reduce its reliance on the dollar is through the creation of alternative financial institutions and currency swap agreements, which allow member countries to trade with each other using their own currencies. This could potentially lead to a further decrease in demand for the dollar in international trade, which could have additional complications for the United States. One possible consequence of a decrease in demand for the dollar is that it could lead to a depreciation in the value of the currency. This could make U.S. exports more expensive for foreign buyers, potentially reducing the competitiveness of American businesses on the global market. Additionally, the U.S. dollar is currently the dominant currency in the global financial system, and a decrease in its usage could lead to a shift in the balance of economic power away from the United States. This could have implications for the country's economic and political influence on the global stage. However, it's important to note that these potential impacts are still uncertain and will depend on how the situation develops in the future. It's also worth mentioning that the BRICS alliance is not without its own challenges and internal economic tensions, and it remains to be seen how effectively the member countries will be able to cooperate and achieve their goals. Overall, the formation of BRICS and the potential decrease in demand for the US dollar in international trade is a complex and multifaceted issue with significant potential consequences for the United States and the global economy. It will be important to continue monitoring developments and staying informed on the latest developments in this area. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our upcoming videos for more analysis and discussion on current geopolitical and economic issues.